Hello everybody, I am Anna Vanila and this is the channel Anna Vanila Arts, which means these are the things that I do on my channel, things that I create on my channel. Everything is in the world of craft. So I do like knitting, I do like knotting, I do tapestry, I do knitting, crocheting, and as you can see, these are the 3 hats I've promised to you that I'm going to do a about. So these are the 3 hats that I've done in red tone, red color, but in different designs. This one in particular is the simplest one. As you can see, on the front and on the back, it's all but pearl stitch, and it's absolutely stretchy. It will fit possibly any hat, and I think it's unisex as well, because this could work out to be a very good hat, not just for women and for children, could be also very good for men to wear. For example, I have made this particular design in deep silver color tone. So it's like dark silver color, and it did work out to be very nice, which I will do a video soon as well. And I've made for a male friend that I've got, and so it's in the same design, the same acrylic yarn, but in just different color tone, and it fits perfectly that person that I made to. So I love this design. I think this is one of my simplest and my favorite hats. I have a lot of experience in knitting, maybe 20 plus years in knitting, and to be honest, I started doing hats just now, this year. I have never ever made hats before. I've made jumpers, I've made scrunchies, as you can see on my channel. I've got scrunchie, how to make a scrunchie video. I have made other accessories and very interesting other garments, but never ever a hat. And I'm really proud that it turned out to be so nicely, especially the end of a hat also looks to be quite successfully done. As you can see, it's very even, it's very good, it looks professional, it looks like as if it was made by knitting machine. But yes, I've made it by using needles number 3.5. This is a needle 375. Here it is, 375. Yeah, 375. And you see, 375. And at the moment I'm doing this design, which is very interesting. I love it. It's very difficult to make, but it's very, very appealing, very, very good. It's like the structure of certain, it's like 3 petals together. That's how it reminisces. This is what actually reminds to me of. I love it so much, and I'm going to do a video about this hat as well when I finish. So this is exactly what I would say simple and simplest ever hats. I hope you love this one as much as I do. So I think I have spoken enough about this hat in particular, which is possibly the easiest and the fastest design you could ever make. And here are another two hats that I've made in the same color. Now that we finished with this simplest hat, we can point to the next one, which is this one. Let's talk about this one. I've made a tutorial about this particular design, this pattern, which looks like a basket weave, and to be honest, I loved it so much. The process of making this design and the making of this hat gave me so much pleasure that I thought I am going to do in another yarn that I love also, the way the yarn is, the way it's colored, and the structure of the yarn, which is usually acrylic, which I work with because I've got allergies of the skin quite often. I can't use animal fur products on me because only faux fur I can actually use against my skin. So I can't use animal products, animal yarn, which means the wool. So I use acrylic yarn, which is benign, it's simple, it's washable, it's stunning, it's always keeps its shape, and it's always nice in various colors. You can buy acrylic shades, acrylic yarn everywhere and anywhere, anytime, in any shop. So, and I think it's more environmentally friendly than using wool, obviously, and it's very eco. That's what I meant. So this hat I loved so much, this design of a hat I loved so much. This basket weave, as you can see, I loved it so much. I've actually made in this color. As you can see, it looks very nice. This pattern looks very nice, and I've made in green color. You can less see the basket weave, but you can just about able to see it. And I've made in purple the same design of a hat with the same pattern, and I love it so much. I thought I'm going to do several colors in this particular project. So I will talk about these ones next time. Let's continue to talk about the red one and the main one that we are talking today about. And as you can see, the stitch is barely seen. As you can see, it's very well done. And at the back, obviously, it's very carefully stitched so it doesn't unravel, and I love it. I cannot wait this winter to actually be able to wear this hat and do a couple of try and haul on my channel with these hats for you to see what I've done and how it looks on me, and how you can make such a beautiful design. Why not? It's amazing, it's stunning, it's a useful gift. It keeps you warm in winter and autumn and spring. Why not? is something very useful to make, because eventually you can wear it and take advantage of it and be proud of the things that you've done with your own hands, with your own fingers. And to be honest, something like this would just be perfect for everyone to make. And I'm going to show more patterns soon over videos, so welcome to my channel. And as I have mentioned, I've got more than 20 years of experience in knitting, in crafting, in crocheting, in working with needles and tapestries. I've got actually close to 30 years of experience, and these are the things that I love doing, and as you can see, these are my latest projects, and these are the projects that I've never done before, even in my 30 years of experience, because obviously things like this, like hats, I've never done before. Just in this year I started doing something like this, which is to wear a garment on your head, which is my first time. I've been doing other things before, other jumpers and suits and all sorts, even skirts and all sorts, but this particular things like hats I started doing this year, so it's my fairly new project. It's always time to learn something new, isn't it? So this is one with basket weave, which I love so much, and this is the one that I also love so much. Look at this beautiful design. It stretches nicely. Have a look. It stretches possibly on any head size, and the design on it is fantastic. I love the sort of bulbs that you can get here. It's like, it reminds me of berries or strawberry, possibly like a berry design, kind of inspired berry design of pattern, I would say. Yeah, and the red, as you already know, is my favorite color. I also love red nails, red lipstick. I love anything in red, really. And recently I think I'm going to do something in red color, which is I'll do it in a different video about that. It's a video about a scrunchie in a red color, which I also plan to do. I've got plenty of ideas and thoughts that I can share with you, so bear in mind to subscribe and write to me personally. What would you like me to do? What kind of tutorials? What you love in what I do, and what would you like me to do videos about more than usual? Like what type of subjects and designs possibly, or what to do more of anything that you desire me to do. So all those ideas and tips I would take in mind, and I'll be doing for you, and I'll do my best to explain to you as much as I can. As you can see, this is fantastic. Even at the back you can see it's almost, the stitch is almost invisible. As you can see it here, it's almost invisible, and it's nicely closed here. You see the ends of the yarn. I think I should have made slightly more here. I think if I was to make a bit more on here over the top, I think it would have been even better, but I have followed the particular design and it was shorter, distance between the elasticated band and the top bit of the head is a little bit short, I think, to my point of view, but I did wear it and it does look good even if it's slightly shorter. But anyway, I love this design, so I'll make more hats in this pattern and I'm going to show you, but I will use a different colors. So yeah, look, I'm looking forward to it. So thank you very much for watching. These are the 3 hats that I made in this color, red, and please subscribe and let's knit together. Thank you.